If getting ready for school requires me to find everything for everybody every single morning.
Mom, where's the toothpaste? Hey, Mom, have you seen the lotion? Mom, I can't find my deodorant. Mom.
Listen, we have a problem because school is right around the corner and my home needs to be ready for easier morning wake-ups so I don't burn out before 9 o'clock in the morning. And one of the first stops when it comes to getting ready for school is the bathroom. In my last video, I tackled the girls' bedroom and I set up a way for my kiddo to get her uniforms and for them to stay clean and look crisp. And it made getting dressed in the morning one less thing we had to figure out because she knew exactly where everything was. We also were able to put together a simple morning and bedtime routine so that she could start taking a little more responsibility for getting ready herself without me constantly reminding her of what needs to come next. But funny thing about that, while we were actually walking through her morning and nighttime routine, I realized something, y'all. Her routine is actually all over the place. Like, she picks up a uniform the night before, which is good and all, but she puts it on the banister. Then in the morning, she has to take those clothes from the banister, put them in the bathroom, get dressed, and brush her teeth and stuff. But all her accessories and the hair stuff for her to brush her hair is actually downstairs, and she uses the living room mirror to do all of that. So I'm looking at this checklist like, wow, she's really all over the place. This is not smooth. So yeah, we're going to fix that today. I want to bring the things she actually uses every morning into one place and make them easy for her to find, easy for her to reach, and more importantly, easy for her to put back. But before I start moving stuff around and bringing even more stuff into this bathroom, I need to deal with what's already in here. So first up, we're decluttering. I'm getting rid of what's empty, stuff we don't use anymore, or stuff that just doesn't need to be here anymore. Because that's something I'm really trying to change throughout my entire house. I don't want to keep finding better ways to store a bunch of stuff we don't actually need. And I'm sick of my house feeling like a big storage closet. I want to make room for the things that actually support the way our family lives right now. And that's really what I mean when I say where I'm getting my house back. So if you hit that point where enough is enough, welcome, you're in the right place. Because around here, we're letting go of the extra stuff, giving things that we actually need and want a place to live, its own space to breathe. And we're cleaning up those messes so that we can fall in love with our house again. So if you're also trying to get your home back under control, hit that subscribe button and do it with me, because we got some work to do. Okay, now I removed everything and I can actually see what needs to clean. And it's a lot, y'all. I'm going to be here for a hot minute, so cue the music. One thing I've noticed is that cleaning feels so much easier after decluttering. I'm not moving around a bunch of bottles so I can wipe underneath them or around them. I'm actually cleaning the space, and that's why throughout these home resets, I'm trying to follow the same basic order. Declutter first, clean second, and organize what's left. I've gotten rid of the stuff we don't need, scrub this bathroom up and down, and now I need to set up this bathroom for school mornings based off of what my kiddo needs to get ready in the morning. She needs to be able to see the things that she needs so they get priority on this counter. And that's it for the countertop, okay? Everything else gets put underneath the sink. So while I'm resetting this space, I'm also checking what needs to be replaced before next week starts. Now, I know I wasn't the only mama who was suffering from the many questions and just trying to get our kids ready out the door on time. So I made this a Canva template that you can customize for your own kiddo. It has the morning and nighttime routine. And just like that, another part of our home is ready for the school year routine. We got rid of what we're not using, deep cleaned everything, restocked what we need, and most importantly, we reorganized the everyday essentials so that my kiddos can find them, use them, and put them back without needing me for every step. That's 2 spaces down in our back to school home reset. The girls' bedroom is ready, the kids' bathroom is ready, and next up, the kitchen. So subscribe if you want to keep resetting your home right along with me, and I'll see you next Saturday. Bye!